first of all, go to canva.com and create an account if you haven't already. Then open up your PDF, click to access your template here, and it will come up with this window. Simply select Use Template and it will appear on your account like this. You can now change the text by double clicking and rewriting on both of these. You can also add your own photos. Go to Upload Media and upload a photo, or if you've already got some uploaded, you can just click and drag and it will appear in the circle like that. If you want to change the photo, simply click another photo and drag it over the top. Once you're happy with your design, you can then go to Download and select whichever one you would like to download it as. You can go PNG, which is a higher quality image, a JPEG, which is a smaller file, which is good for social media, PDF if you're planning on printing at all, or you can go for the video option if you have any animated parts of your template. This template in particular has animated parts, which you can change here by selecting one of the parts, going up here to animate, and you can change it to any of these, or simply take the animation away as well. Any more questions, please feel free to email me at ajrphotographyofficial@gmail.com or visit my website.